Excuse me. Moonchild here. I'm gonna show you a bunch of things. Things that I normally don't show other people. For example, this bed right here is where my victims lay down, where I torture them, make them suffer. If they behave well enough, their suffering won't be long. However, if they cry and yell and scream for help, so help me God, they will taste the wrath of the Moonchild. These are the tools of the demise of all of my victims. For example, I use this to cut their tongues off when they scream too much and too fucking loud. This is where everything happens. My torture skills are good. I have good torture skills. I don't normally do this. But here you can see I have the lock. Another lock. My victims cannot escape me. This. If you remember this is what I used to wear in that insane asylum where I killed that psychiatrist who tried to shut me down and shut me off by giving me pills, leaving me in a room 24/7 surrounded by walls. Not able to move, not able to talk, not able to do anything but hope. Fuck hope. I don't have any faith, fuck faith. I'm only here to torture, to be a fucking menace. This right here. Is one of the remains of my last victim mixed with some screws. Shit. Take a look at this. These are his intestines. Boiled. Now they're all over my desk. But it's okay because this is the hammer I used to smash his head after I cut off his tongue. And then I used this saw to decapitate him. Stay safe, Moonchild.